We landed in Anchorage, Alaska around 2 a.m. in the morning.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
We stayed in this beautiful private wooden cabin, which was located in the middle of snow-covered mountains.
And love is all we'll ever trust.
And the view from this cabin was too good to be true.
And on we'll go. Through
The very next morning, we left for the helicopter tour, which was an incredible experience.
we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
I have never seen a view like this in my entire life. It was so unreal.
Finding life along the way.
Alaska is one of the most popular destinations for dog sledging in the entire world. Fun fact, my husband is not a dog person, and at the same time he's petrified of dogs, as you can see. He agreed to do this because of me, as I was really excited to try dog sledging in Alaska.
Through the wastelands, through the highways.
So basically, in dog sledging, you speed through the snow mountains while sitting on a sledge that's being pulled by some Alaskan dogs. And it is one of the must-try things to do when you visit Alaska.
Alright, having fun in the middle of the snow!
This was one of the most adventurous things we ever did, and we really enjoyed it.
We'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Glacier landing was one of those great experiences that you can't express in words. It was simply magical. Our excitement escalated as our helicopter descended. This tour starts from Anchorage, takes you over spectacular scenery, and touches down on Nick Glacier, where you can get out and explore the ice. I can't say how phenomenal it felt standing on top of the glacier. It is definitely our favorite thing we did in Alaska. And the astonishing part was actually drinking water from a glacier.
And love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
This is our amazing pilot who made our trip even more exciting and memorable.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
Now comes our favorite part, food. Nick River Lodge offers great options for breakfast, where you can enjoy food with great view. Another great recommendation is Snow City Cafe in Anchorage downtown, which is a popular spot for brunch where breakfast is served all day round. Moose's Tooth was our favorite food place in Alaska, which we visited multiple times. It was also ranked as the third best pizza place in the US, and I can't agree more. The pizza was delicious and even desserts were yummy. Alaska is also a great place for beautiful and scenic road trips.
Around these walls, fighting to create.
Next day, we left for Alyeska Resort, which is famous for its aerial tram, where you can take 7 minutes of scenic ride from the hotel to the top of Mount Alyeska and witness frosty views of the hanging glaciers and endless peaks deep into the mountain range.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the
And this is my husband trying his amazing photography skills. Alaska is known as the best place in the world to see northern lights, also known as Aurora Borealis. We visited Alaska in May during summers and were luckily able to spot few streaks of the northern lights. But if you really want to see great views, visit in winters. But temperature is really low that time and drops till minus 30 Fahrenheit. I hope you enjoyed watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And follow us on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching.